Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tools Pro. Today we're diving into 20 insane new Festool tools that will completely transform your woodworking game. From cordless innovations to high-precision routers and dust extractors, these tools are designed to boost productivity, accuracy, and efficiency in your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate DIYer, you won't want to miss these game-changing gadgets. Let's check them out. The Festool HLC82 cordless planer is engineered for smooth, precise planing on wood and panel surfaces. Its ergonomic design allows effortless handling, while the high-speed, sharp blades deliver flawless cuts with minimal effort. Cordless convenience means you can work anywhere without limitations, making it ideal for on-site or workshop projects. Dust extraction compatibility keeps your workspace clean, and the robust battery ensures extended work periods. Whether trimming edges, leveling surfaces, or chamfering boards, this planer provides unmatched control and efficiency, making it a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. The Festool CSC Sys50 cordless table saw is a compact powerhouse for any workshop. It combines cordless freedom with precision cutting, making it perfect for rip cuts, cross cuts, and bevels. The adjustable fence ensures accurate measurements every time, while the built-in safety features like a riving knife and anti-kickback pawls provide peace of mind. Lightweight yet powerful, this table saw is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need mobility without sacrificing performance. Its efficient battery system guarantees extended runtime, letting you focus on your craft instead of power outlets. The Festool DFC 500 Domino joining machine revolutionizes woodworking joinery. This cordless system allows you to create strong, precise domino joints quickly and accurately. Adjustable plunge depth and position settings give complete control over your cuts, while the robust motor powers through hardwoods effortlessly. Its lightweight, portable design makes on-site work a breeze, and the dust extraction system keeps your environment clean. Perfect for cabinet making, furniture, and custom woodworking, the DFC 500 ensures consistent, professional quality joints every time, saving both time and effort while enhancing your overall workflow. The Festool HKC 55K cordless circular saw combines portability with high cutting performance. Lightweight yet durable, this saw handles crosscuts, rip cuts, and bevels with precision. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use, and the adjustable cutting depth allows for accurate results on a variety of materials. Battery-powered freedom means you can work in any location without cords limiting your movement. Integrated dust extraction keeps your workspace clean, and the sharp carbide blade ensures smooth, effortless cuts. Ideal for construction, woodworking, or DIY projects, the HKC 55K delivers professional results every time. The Festool RSC18 Reciprocating saw is a versatile tool for cutting wood, metal, and plastic. Its powerful motor provides smooth, controlled strokes, while the adjustable shoe ensures precise depth and angle cutting. Cordless convenience allows you to work anywhere without worrying about outlets or extension cords. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to handle in tight spaces or overhead applications. The saw's rapid blade change system saves time, and battery efficiency keeps you going longer. Ideal for demolition, remodeling, or general construction, the RSC18 delivers professional results with speed, accuracy, and safety in mind. The Festool ETSC 150 cordless random orbit sander delivers precision sanding with cordless freedom. Its ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort during long sanding sessions, while the high-speed motor provides smooth, swirl-free finishes. The 150mm sanding pad covers large surfaces efficiently, and the dust extraction system keeps your workspace clean. Battery-powered mobility allows effortless use anywhere in your workshop or on-site, while the robust battery guarantees extended runtime. Perfect for finishing furniture, cabinets, or paneling, this sander combines power, control, and versatility, making it an essential tool for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Festool MFKC 700 cordless module edge router is perfect for precise edge routing, shaping, and tasks. Its modular design allows for flexible use whether in a workshop or on site. The powerful motor provides smooth, controlled cuts through hardwoods and softwoods alike. Ergonomic handles and lightweight construction ensure comfort during extended sessions. Cordless operation removes power restrictions, while dust extraction compatibility keeps your workspace clean. Ideal for cabinet making, furniture, and decorative woodworking, the MFKC 700 enhances both accuracy and efficiency for woodworkers. The Festool CT MIDI IAC mobile dust extractor is designed for clean, safe, and efficient woodworking. Its compact, portable design allows easy transport around any job site. The high-efficiency filter captures fine dust particles, protecting both users and machinery. With variable suction settings, it adapts to different tools and tasks, while the cordless-friendly design ensures maximum mobility. Easy to empty and maintain, the CT MIDI IAC keeps your workspace organized and free of harmful dust. Ideal for workshops, construction sites, and DIY projects, this dust extractor enhances efficiency while promoting a healthier and cleaner working environment. The Festool ETSC 125 cordless eccentric sander is a high-performance finishing tool that offers exceptional control and flexibility. Its compact 125mm sanding pad allows access to tight corners and smaller surfaces, while the random orbit motion ensures smooth, swirl-free results. Cordless operation provides freedom to work anywhere, and the lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended sanding sessions. Integrated dust extraction keeps your workspace clean, improving both health and visibility. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture finishing, and decorative woodworking, the ETSC 125 delivers professional quality results with unmatched precision, mobility, and ease of use for woodworkers of all levels. The Festool OFKC 500 cordless edge router is a versatile tool for precise edge routing, chamfering, and shaping tasks. Its cordless design allows unrestricted movement, perfect for workshop or on-site projects. The ergonomic body ensures comfortable handling, while the powerful motor provides clean, accurate cuts through hardwood and softwood alike. Depth adjustments are intuitive, allowing precise customization for every cut. Compatible with dust extraction systems, it keeps your workspace clean. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture making, and decorative woodworking, the OFKC 500 enhances efficiency, accuracy, and convenience, making it an indispensable tool both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. The Festool Syslite KBSC cordless construction light provides bright, reliable illumination for workshops and job sites. Its cordless design ensures portability and flexibility, allowing you to work anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. The adjustable head and compact design provide optimal lighting angles and easy positioning. Durable construction withstands tough job site conditions, while the high-output LED delivers consistent, shadow-free light. Perfect for woodworking, construction, or renovation projects, the Syslite KBSC ensures precision and safety in every task. This portable light is an essential tool for any professional or DIY enthusiast. The Festool RG130 Diamond Grinder is designed for powerful surface restoration and material removal. Its robust diamond-coated grinding disc effortlessly tackles concrete, stone, and other hard surfaces. The cordless design allows unrestricted mobility, ideal for large-scale projects or tight spaces. Ergonomic handles and lightweight construction reduce fatigue during extended use. With variable speed control, you can adjust grinding intensity for precision work, while the dust extraction system ensures a clean, safe environment. Perfect for contractors, masons, and DIY enthusiasts, the RG130 delivers professional quality results with speed, durability, and accuracy on every project. The Festool MB40 mobile drilling attachment is a versatile accessory that converts standard drills into portable, precise drilling machines. It offers smooth, adjustable drilling depth and secure clamping for consistent, accurate results. Its compact design makes it ideal for workshops or on-site use, and the lightweight frame ensures easy handling. Compatible with various drills and batteries, it expands your tool's versatility while maintaining precision. Whether for cabinetry, furniture, or custom woodworking, the MB40 enhances drilling accuracy and efficiency. This attachment is a must-have for professionals seeking reliable, portable, and high-quality drilling performance. The Festool ExoActive EXO18 Exoskeleton is a revolutionary wearable tool that reduces strain during heavy woodworking tasks. Designed for ergonomics and comfort, it supports your arms and shoulders while handling power tools, allowing extended work periods without fatigue. Lightweight yet durable, it provides mobility on-site or in the workshop. Compatible with Festool cordless tools, the EXO18 increases efficiency and safety by minimizing fatigue-related errors. Ideal for professionals handling repetitive or heavy tasks, this innovative exoskeleton enhances endurance, productivity, and overall work quality. It's a game-changing accessory for serious woodworkers and contractors. The Festool Sysair air filter is an essential tool for clean, healthy workshops. Designed to trap fine dust particles, it protects both users and machinery from airborne contaminants. Compact and portable, it integrates seamlessly with Festool dust extractors and other power tools. Its high-efficiency filtration system ensures long-term performance, reducing maintenance and keeping your workspace safer. Ideal for sanding, routing, or cutting operations, the Sysair minimizes exposure to harmful dust and improves air quality. Lightweight and easy to move, this filter is perfect for both professional shops and DIY enthusiasts seeking a safer, cleaner work environment. The Festool Planex LHS2M drywall sander is designed for fast, efficient sanding of walls and ceilings. Its lightweight cordless design allows easy maneuvering without strain, while the telescopic handle ensures access to high areas effortlessly. The powerful motor provides smooth, consistent sanding, and the integrated dust extraction system keeps your workspace clean and safe. Ideal for drywall finishing, plaster, and surface preparation, this sander saves time while delivering professional results. Compact, portable, and precise, the Planex LHS2M is a must-have for contractors, builders, and serious DIYers looking for high-quality sanding performance. The Festool Granat Profile abrasives deliver exceptional sanding performance and durability for a variety of woodworking tasks. Designed for use with Festool sanders, these abrasives provide smooth, consistent finishes and long life, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Their unique abrasive coating ensures fast material removal while maintaining surface quality. Compatible with multiple sanders, including random orbital and eccentric models, they are ideal for furniture finishing, cabinetry, and detailed woodworking projects. Granite abrasives maintain sharpness over time, providing professional quality results efficiently and reliably. Perfect for pros and hobbyists aiming for precision and smooth finishes in every sanding task. The Festool HLC82 cordless planer is a high-performance tool for planing, leveling, and chamfering wood surfaces. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the precision blades provide clean, smooth cuts. Cordless freedom allows maximum mobility on-site or in the workshop. Compatible with Festool dust extraction, it keeps the workspace clean while minimizing airborne debris. Perfect for professional woodworkers, contractors, or DIY enthusiasts, the HLC82 enhances efficiency and accuracy across a range of woodworking applications. Reliable, portable, and precise, this cordless planer is an essential addition to any workshop or project site. The Festool MFKC 700KA cordless module edge router is designed for precise edge routing and shaping. Its cordless design ensures unrestricted movement, perfect for workshop or on-site projects. The powerful motor provides clean, accurate cuts on hardwood, softwood, and composite materials. Ergonomic handles allow comfortable extended use, while depth adjustments deliver precision every time. Compatible with dust extraction, it keeps your workspace clean and safe. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and decorative woodworking, this router combines efficiency, accuracy, and portability. The MFKC 700 is an indispensable tool for professionals and serious DIYers seeking professional quality edgework. The Festool KHC18EB Basic Rotary Hammer Drill is a powerful cordless solution for drilling into concrete, masonry, and wood. Its lightweight, ergonomic design allows extended use with minimal fatigue, while the high-performance motor delivers fast and precise drilling. Multiple speed and torque settings give full control for various materials, and the cordless battery system ensures maximum mobility without compromising power. Ideal for construction, renovation, and on-site projects, the KHC18EB Basic combines efficiency, reliability, and durability. With integrated dust management options, it enhances both performance and safety, making it a professional-grade tool for any demanding project. Thanks for watching. If you loved this showcase of 20 insane new Festool tools, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell here on Power Tools Pro. These tools are designed to supercharge your workshop and elevate your woodworking projects. Stay tuned for more expert tool reviews, pro tips, and handy hacks so you never miss a chance to work smarter and create like a pro.